Hello guys, welcome to Terry Berry Nutrition. So today we are making cheesy garlic bread. So let's get started. The ingredients that are required are 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of grated fresh garlic, 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander, a teaspoon of oregano along with a teaspoon of chili flakes, sandwich bread and grated mozzarella cheese. So let's get started. Add garlic to the melted butter and mix well. Now add coriander along with a teaspoon of oregano and a teaspoon of chili flakes. Mix the mixture well. Now apply a generous amount of the garlic mixture over the bread slice. Please make sure that you spread the mixture evenly over the bread slice. Spread a good amount of grated mozzarella cheese over the other slice. Now carefully place the bread over a heated pan and apply the garlic mixture on the other side of the bread. Make sure that the flame is on low and wait till the cheese melts. Flip the bread after a minute or two and gently press down using a spatula or a spoon. So this is the final look of the cheesy bread. You can serve this with chili garlic sauce or with a cheese dip or any sauce of your choice. I hope you guys like the recipe. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay home, stay safe everyone. Take care of yourselves and the people around you. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.